Hello coders, today we will talk about medical abbreviations, prefixes and suffixes. This is very basic and important information for any medical coder or CPC aspirants. Medical abbreviations are shorthand notations used in healthcare settings to simplify documentation and communication. Examples include NPO, nothing by mouth, BID, twice a day, and SOB, shortness of breath. It's essential for medical coders to understand common medical abbreviations to accurately interpret medical records. Prefixes are affixes added to the beginning of words to modify their meaning. Common medical prefixes include hyper, excessive, hypo, deficient, pseudo, false, and anti, against. Understanding medical prefixes can help medical coders decipher complex medical terms. Suffixes are affixes added to the end of words to modify their meaning. Common medical suffixes include itis, inflammation, ectomy, surgical removal, algia, pain, and emia, presence of a substance in blood. Medical coders should be familiar with medical suffixes to accurately interpret medical terminology. Refer to medical dictionaries, textbooks, and online resources that provide comprehensive lists of medical abbreviations, prefixes, and suffixes. Flashcards and quizzes can also be helpful for memorization and reinforcement. From the last videos we have started discussing basics of medical coding and preparing for CPC exam. Please check out our upcoming videos, like them and share with CPC aspirants. Till then, thank you and happy coding.